Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and we did a video when we first bought this Rec Teq grill, which has been about 9 months ago, and did a biscuit test, burn in, and temp test, and it's done really well. A lot of people, some people have put the thumbs down, some people have put the thumbs up, but one of the questions we saw was, hey, how about doing another biscuit test on it? They thought by us putting it on there in the time manner that we did, it allowed some of them to cook quicker than others, and that's why it was uneven, which I thought overall it did really well. So this time we're going to do that test again, except this time we're going to put the biscuits, the canned biscuits, straight onto a cookie sheet, lift the lid up, put them straight on at the same time, and then at the end of the time just take them both off at the exact same time, so there's not 30 seconds to a minute difference in adding the biscuits on and taking them off. So hang with us. We're going to give this thing another biscuit test. If you get a Rec Teq, I always think it's great to do a biscuit test on any kind of grill, smoker, offset, Kamado, whatever you got, just to make sure you know where your hot spots are on your grill. So come with us. We're going to take this Rec Teq bull on a ride again on a biscuit test and see how it turns out 9 months later. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. All right, we got some cookie cooling sheets or baking sheets that lifts it up off a little bit. A lot of people use these for cookies and so forth. And then we got some biscuits, some cheap canned biscuits. We're going to put this at 350 and bake these for 15 minutes. And again, we're just trying to see how even this cooks throughout the smoker. All right, so now we're going to evenly put these, there's 8 biscuits in each can. We use 2 cans. Preferably I would have had 9 on each, to make it a little bit more even, but we did put the 2 back rows of 3 and then 2 in the front row, and that's how we got our 16 biscuits. All right, so we got these in, put them all on at the same time. We're going to bake them for about 12 minutes, 13 minutes, and then we'll see what they look like. All right, it's been 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We're going to take these off, and you can see front to back. There's a little bit of room up here at the front though, but trying to keep them on the cookie sheet. On the other version I had them more up towards the front here, but let's take these things off. It looks like the left side may be a little bit cooler, middle a little bit warmer, and the right for the exhaust going out maybe a little bit warmer, and that makes sense that the draft would go this way and it would be a little bit warmer over here versus this side. But let's take them out and let's look at them. All right, so the wind is blowing pretty good out here, but we took these both off at the exact same time, not like we did in the other video. As I mentioned earlier, these in the middle look really good. They're golden brown. I don't eat canned biscuits, but they look very good. 15 minutes. Nothing is burnt, which is great. You can tell, I would say the middle to the right side is a little warmer. You look at this one, it's not quite as brown on the bottom. Back right is not quite as warm as brown. You look on this side, and they're done. They just could probably last another minute or two. So if I was just looking at this normally on a biscuit test, I would say center is a little hotter, which makes sense with the convection. Even the middles over here look pretty even. Maybe a tad brown, more brown on this one. Maybe just a tad more on this one, which is closer to the exhaust. Going out, that makes sense. And then the back ones, maybe just a tad browner on this one. A little bit more brown on top. But, I mean, considering everything overall, 9 months later, I think they look really good. I mean, for as far as, you know, equally cooking. So that's a 9 month later test on it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of food and travel videos. Food is for smoking meat and restaurant reviews. Travels for cruise ships and land-based vacations like the mountains, the Great Smoky Mountains. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.